today I'll be reviewing the Ultra Hero series, Ultraman #1. I don't know if it's the Sofubui, I don't know how to call it, but I don't know if this is the Ultra Hero series or Sofubui, I don't know. So let's look at the tag first. Here's Ultraman, the original one. From Bandai, from Tsuburaya, I don't know, #1, and it says Ultra Hero series here. I don't know what is this here, because I don't know, it's not Japanese, and just some Japanese words. Made in China in 2013. By the way, I was born in 2013. So there's nothing behind here actually. So yeah, let's get into the review. So this is the classic Ultraman. Very nice, detailed. So yeah, it's very nice. I actually like it. So guys, I've not been uploading quite a while. I don't know why. I didn't want to really record, so yeah. So this is the original Ultraman, the very first Ultraman. This is Type C, by the way, not Type. This is not Type A. Type A is a different version, not him. So yeah. So Type A is not like this face. It's something else. So yeah. So very nice sculpted. So oh yeah, this is where you get the tag out of here. So yeah, now let's stop talking and let's see the articulation, I mean, sorry about that. So we get a body swivel here, and hands can rotate back and forth, same here. So yeah, that's the only articulation on this figure. I'm actually happy about the figure. I don't really care about the articulation. It's very nice. So yeah, this is just a short video of Ultraman. This is a very nice figure. I rate this figure maybe a 10 out of 10. It's very nice actually. I like it. So yeah, this guy, very nice. I'll be making another video later or tomorrow. So bye bye.